How to fix your device is not part of the Netflix household for this account. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. That your device is not part of the Netflix household for this account error usually occurs when Netflix detects that you are trying to access an account from a device outside of the primary location set for the account. Netflix implemented this feature to enforce their account sharing policy. So here's how to troubleshoot and potentially fix this issue. First, verify your Netflix household. Ensure that your device is connected to the same Wi Fi network as the primary Netflix household. If you are not on primary Wi-Fi network, try connecting to it and then logging in again. If your primary Wi-Fi network has changed, example new router or internet service provider, make sure the new network is set as the primary location in your Netflix settings. If you are using Netflix on a different network, you can request temporary access. The account owner can approve this request via their email or Netflix app, allowing access from your current location for up to 7 days. And another thing, you have to ensure that you are using the latest version of the Netflix application because older version might not work with the household features. Also, if the none of the above steps work, contact the Netflix support, explain your situation, especially if you are traveling or having recently moved, as they might be able to provide a solution. By following this all the steps, you should be able to resolve the your device is not part of the Netflix household for this account error. If the problem persists, Netflix support can provide more personalized assistance. So that's all for today. If you are new to our channel, like and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.